viewers, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Day 3 of our ride, and today we are riding to Mumbai. Google Map is telling it'll take us 16 hours to reach there. It's already 6:30, so पता नहीं कब तक पहुँचेंगे. Maybe 10-12. I'm not sure. We have loaded Hulk. सब कुछ हो गया है. So I think we will not delay. जल्दी से निकल जाएंगे यहाँ से. हाईवे पहुँचने में अभी थोड़ा टाइम है. किट्टूर इज़ द प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर वी विल टेक द बैंगलोर पुणे हाईवे. अभी के लिए बाय. Marwante beach. The highway runs so close to the beach, so we have parked our bikes to take few pictures. I don't know, the photos will not do justice to the view that this place gives. It's just beautiful. That's Hulk parked here. Breakfast. This is the same place where we stayed last year during our New Year ride. We are here at Kumta, and we had our breakfast at Panduranga International. So time is around 10 AM and we have almost close to 690 kilometers to reach Mumbai. Long way to go. We'll start again. हम लोग महाराष्ट्र पहुँच गए हैं. So just finished our lunch. This is some 10-15 kilometers before Kolhapur, and we have come some 10-15 kilometers from the Karnataka Maharashtra border. लेकिन उडुपी से कहाँ पहुँचते थे? किट्टूर. तो we had to take lots of state highways, and हालत पतला हो गया दोनों का. The roads were so bad. Actually, the roads were not bad. They were bumpy. There were potholes here and there. Too many speed breakers. So it took a toll on us. And हमें ऐसा लग रहा था कि हाईवे कब आएगा. तो finally we made it. जब भी हाईवे आया, like पहुँच गए, तो I think you could figure out from the video that we were so happy to see the highway. अतुल, अभी हमें पहुंचने में कितना किलोमीटर है?
370.
ओके, सो when I checked.
12 बज गया।
अभी तो 12 बज गया होगा. So we have called our stay कि like just in case कि हम लोग का अगर लेट हुआ तो whether they will let us in or not. So they are okay with it. तो I am तो thinking कि करीब 12:30-1 तो बज ही जाएगा definitely. But the best part is we have a day off tomorrow in Mumbai. So थोड़ा लेट भी पहुँचेंगे तो चलेगा शायद. अभी तो चाय, फिर ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद हम लोग डायरेक्टली अभी लंच कर रहे हैं. तो वी वर रियली हंग्री. वी हैड तंदूरी रोटी, मटन मसाला एंड ब्रेड ऑमलेट एंड चाय. दिस इज़ आवर सेकेंड कप ऑफ चाय. बस इसको ख़त्म करेंगे और यहाँ से निकलेंगे. चलो तो फिर रोड का अपडेट देते रहेंगे आप लोगों को. So friends, we have reached our stay here in Mumbai. We are staying at Oyo Nest Inn. It is on the Nasik highway. The last 50 to 60 kilometers were terrible, pathetic, like it was never ending. The road was extremely horrible, bad, bumpy, thousands and thousands of trucks. धूल मिट्टी,
millions of trucks.
Yeah, both of us really got frustrated. It's like मतलब 50 kilometers कब खत्म होगा मतलब we were completely annoyed and too much of dust. Both mine and Atul's face, like it's completely black. We have to go change. So it's almost 12:30 now. So we started at 6. It's 12:30. So it's been like what, 18 and a half?
20.
Almost 20 hours. Very tired. Luckily there is a ढाबा nearby. So वहाँ से थोड़ा खाना ऑर्डर किए हैं. जल्दी खाएंगे, थोड़ा सा फ्रेश हो जाएंगे and after that I think both of us will just sleep. It was a really tiring day. So guys, that's it from both of us now. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. You guys take care.
Hello viewers, good morning. So अतुल और मैं हम लोग सो के उठे हैं almost 10 बजे. So after the tiring ride yesterday, we both slept and the only time that we got up was at around 9:45-10. So जल्दी यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट 8 से 9 तक ही मिलता है and so these guys they just told us कि if we want to have breakfast तो जल्दी आके खाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So that's when we both got up, जल्दी ब्रश किया and we went to have our food. It wasn't really great, मतलब per person 100 rupees and then unlimited, लेकिन unlimited बहुत ही limited option था. what इडली,
2 ही ऑप्शन था,
इडली and the केसरी बात that we call the I don't know क्या बोलते हैं उसको, like the sweet सूजी वाला हलवा and tea. अभी प्लान ये है कि हम लोग अपने सारे फ़ोटोज़ वीडियोज़ लैपटॉप में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट अराउंड 12-12:30 विल हेड टुवर्ड्स मुंबई. कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक प्लेस माइंड में नहीं है कि कहाँ जाएंगे. विल जस्ट गो आउट, विल सी कहाँ जा सकते हैं। मुंबई में पार्किंग का भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज द लास्ट टाइम वी केम हियर वाज ऑन आवर ड्यूक 390। सो उस टाइम पार्किंग में बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस किया था, मतलब हर जगह पार्क नहीं कर सकते। इस बार तो वी हैव अ बिग बाइक, सो लेट्स सी क्या कर सकते हैं। या सो वी विल कीप यू पोस्टेड। टाइम टू डू पेट पूजा एंड मुंबई दर्शन। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। The view is just beautiful, the sun and the bridge. So we are here for some photos. Too many people around, very windy. We'll quickly take some sunset and pictures of the bridge. From here we are going to this Irani place where you get nice Irani food. I'm craving for keema pav and very pulao. So yeah.
And Irani chai.
Yeah, Irani chai. After that we have to go all the way to Thane.
हाँ वही थाने भिवंडी.
Almost what, 50 kilometers? Yeah, so I thought I would do a quick shopping here in Colaba, which is again some 15 kilometers away I guess. But then Google Maps says it will take 1 hour 15 minutes. So I think I'll take I'll pass, I'll not go there, and from here we'll eat and then directly go to our hotel. So enjoy the view with us. We are back, guys. So we are in the room. We could not take clips during when we were there in the Irani restaurant because it was a small place and a bit congested, and we were also thinking to have our food soon and come back because Google Maps was showing like it would take almost 2 hours to reach our hotel. So we thought we'll just quickly have and come back. So we had Irani chai, we had cheese, chicken masala omelette with buns. और क्या खाया, कुछ खाया?
Bread pudding.
हाँ, bread pudding. So the food was nice, it was good. So we left from there and we reached here like some 15 minutes back. We don't want to go out. Initially our plan was to go out to the nearby dhaba. But then now I think we are really tired. We have to do some packing also for the ride tomorrow. Room में ही order कर लिया है. So we'll have something very light. Our plan tomorrow is to go from here to Vadodara and it is almost close to 400 kilometers. Roads are amazingly good. We have already done this highway I think 2 years back when we were doing our run ride. So we are quite familiar with that highway. Now the only dilemma or debate that Atul and I are having is like, you know, we wanted to go to Statue of Unity. Now we are thinking ki on our way we go see and then go to our hotel, or first reach hotel and then go to Statue of Unity. Now if we go while we are going towards Vadodara, we will have our luggage and we don't know whether there is safe parking or not. और अगर हम लोग होटल जाके फिर वापस आते हैं देखने के लिए,
आई डोंट नो सनसेट हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा, अंधेरा हो जाएगा. सो अब वो हम लोग कल ही डिसाइड करेंगे ऑन द गो कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ. सो विल कीप यू पोस्टेड अबाउट आवर राइड टुमारो. बाय बाय, सी या, गुड नाइट, यू गाइज टेक केयर.